Hey guys, just wanted to take the time today to go over something really unique about our product. So as you could tell, we're outside in our staging area for our factory in Bonita Springs, Florida. Outside is where we store all of our wall panels. If you don't know much about construction, or even if you do, it's very unusual to store finished product outside, right? Because normally if it's made of wood, steel, or even concrete sometimes, being exposed to the elements is not always a good thing. Well, with our Northstar composite, our FRP, they can be stored outside in the very hot weather of the summer. And today on a cold winter day, I think it's in the 40s or 50s today. It's been raining. All of these wall panels that you see sitting here have been exposed to all the cold weather and all the rain, but they're completely intact, which is obviously a huge testament to all the features that we claim, such as being water resistant, corrosion resistant, termite resistant, and obviously mold resistant too. So I wanted to show an example of one of our wall panels today. This is a smaller one, just for example's sake. So the way that the wall comes together and how these properties really focused is by putting our wall together with our ballistic panel on the outside. So we have a 1/4" sheathing. This is what gives us our UL level 1 rated for the ballistic impact rating. It also gives us our ICC 500 for tornado testing, all the way up to a category 5 tornado and hurricane as well. But on the inside, you see where all the engineering and the magic happens, right? So this is the outside of the wall. This is what you consider the middle of the center. And on the inside is where all the framing is, right? So again, if you're familiar with construction, this looks a little bit similar to like a wood frame assembly or even a metal frame assembly. We use C-channels in lieu of studs. In lieu of 2x4s, we're using these 6-inch C-channels with a 1/4" lip here. And this is how we essentially frame out the entirety of the inside of the system. So we have our channels here. We have our L brackets inside, so that's how that comes together on the inside. And then we have our studs that are joisted together on the outside to create load-bearing capacity. So if you have all these ganged in the same area, you can put a truss or anything load-bearing on the top, and this literally transfers the entire load to the foundation or whatever the next floor assembly is. So again, wanted to take some time today to give you a little bit more of like a science / construction science engineering background for our building system and show you how our properties and our features affect you in real time. Build better, build Northstar.